Have you ever wanted to become a software engineer? If your answer is yes, then we welcome you to the Department of Computer Science Engineering at Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology. Hello everyone, I am Sai Kamal. I am a pre-final year student currently pursuing my BTech in CSE at Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology. You are wondering why I am walking so much? It's because a beautiful campus is spread around 125 acres of lush greenery. Today, we are going to be featuring about our childhood dream. Do you also have a dream? If yes, let us take you on a virtual tour of a beautiful campus. Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology has established in 2001 by Chinta Reddy and Madhusudan Reddy Educational Society under the guidance of C.H. Sri Venugopal Reddy Garu. BIT is one of the largest engineering colleges in Telangana with consistent and excellent performance of students in their semester exams. The institute has endeared itself to many students as well as parents. This campus is a home to over 500 faculties. Now, we are inside the department of CSE. Let me ask you one thing. Why do you choose BTech CSE at BIT? I'll tell you why. Computer science is the most exciting and promising field that we can pursue. We believe a computer science and engineering program will not only educate you but will also inspire you with the joy of computing. That is why I have chosen BTech CSE at BIT. In BIT, lecture halls are equipped with modern audio and visual teaching techniques. This is where all the interesting lectures are happening. Computer Science department is known for its excellent research facilities and a number of department laboratories such as Lab, DBMS Lab, Data Mining Lab, Case Tools and Web Technologies Lab. Let's have a glance at our Computer Science Engineering department. These are the pillars of our strength. Now let's meet one of the backbones of our CSE department, Dr. R. Madhuramohan Garu, HOD of CSE department.
Hi, hope all are doing well.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to BIT Computer Science and Engineering Department.
We're inside the library block of BIT. It is one of the finest academic libraries in the state with over 1 lakh volumes of books. It is the most peaceful and silent places in the campus. You'll be here mostly for the air conditioning and sometimes BIT Hyderabad hosts Inter-College Techno-Cultural Festivals, which is the most coolest and popular fest in India with more than 200 colleges participating every year. Want to listen to some cool music? Or want to watch a dance show? Or do you want to be a part of a Techno-Cultural Fest? Then this open arena is a place for you. This is where all the fun activities happen. BIT has produced excellent sport facilities which has resulted in great sporting culture among the students. Wanna grab a bite of tasty Indian food? Then a food court is a perfect place for this. FYI, for your kind information, I am now standing in front of a placement cell. In the beginning, I have already mentioned that all of us have always dreamt to become a software engineer. Then this is a perfect place for you. Over 1,000 students have already been placed in various multinational companies. In this academic year, in CSE department, around 150 students have been placed from around 200 students. Whereas in EEE department, 50 students have been placed from 120 students. Whereas in ECE department, 80 students have been placed from 172 students. Talking about civil department, around 10 students have been placed from 92 students. Whereas in MBA, around 10 students have been placed from 22 students. In mechanical department, 25 students have been placed from 82 students. For more information, visit bit.ac.in. We promise you that the 4 years you are going to spend here will be the wonder years of your life. I wish you all the best. This is Sai Kamal, signing off.